Hey friends, I'm excited to review this oil diffuser with you. It's made by Homeweeks, but what sold me on it is this. It comes with a remote. I thought that was kind of cool. Now you might be wondering how well it works. So I've had the chance to test it out and I can give you an honest review. And I will say that I think the remote works great. In fact, just a second ago, I was standing about 20 feet away from the diffuser and it was still within range. The remote still worked. So you can kind of control it from a good bit of distance. Now let me give you a close-up review. This diffuser is so easy to use. All you have to do is remove the lid to fill it up. Now the fill line is all the way up here, so that gives you a lot of water, which means a lot of misting time. Now you can turn it on and off with the buttons on the front if you want, or you can use your remote. So you have your on and off power button, and then you can change the timing. You have 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, or on. And once it runs out of water, it'll shut off when it's on the on setting. You can also control your different light settings. I love the different lights on here. It actually looks really great at night too. It's a really pretty glow. So you have your dimmer colors, your brighter colors. You can even put it on a continuous cycle where it goes through all the different colors. I really love that about it. Now, you also have intermittent or continuous flow, as well as a bigger mist or a smaller mist. So there are a lot of options with this diffuser. You can really control it however you want it to. Like I said, the remote works great. I just really love that about this. So I do love this, and I highly recommend this oil diffuser.